All right, so we're here with a 2022 Ford Explorer King Ranch, and we are going to remove the roof antenna here, okay? So it should be pretty easy. It's pretty close to the back end of the hatch here. Obviously, step one, you're gonna open up the hatch. All right, so first thing I did was you just kind of pull back gently. You can use a little plastic pry tool, pull back these little pillars on both sides, and then I gently lift up the rubber, and then you can kind of pry this down. And what you're going to want to do is get your tools in on this plastic piece, and you're going to pull straight down, and there's one here as well, okay? And then once you can kind of gently pull down on the roof liner, and then there's a 10mm socket right up in here that you can use to loosen up the bolt that is holding the antenna. You're going to undo these clips right here, and the antenna will come right on out. So pretty simple. I'm going to do that next and let you know how it goes. Alright, so the 10mm, take this off. It's kind of clamps it to the roof. Okay, so make sure you don't lose those two, and then we're going to unclip from the underneath and then pull that antenna from the top out. In this car, it looks like it's just this blue one that needs to be unclipped, and then we should be able to pull it out. Alright, let's take a look. So it looks like it is just the blue one. You push down on this, and the male end comes right out, and then now it should slide out freely from above. So now, instead of using a step ladder and metallic, I got my race ramps here. I get it up next to the car. You can get it and touch it. It's not going to harm anything. Now I can step on up and get better access to this, and it comes right up. So there's a little plastic piece I'm gonna just catch so I don't lose that, and then the wire should come right on out. Alright, so just the blue comes out, and there is this little black plastic piece, so if it comes loose and you're not sure where it goes, the wire goes through the back end right there. So that will stay on the back side of it. Just pop it back in, and then when you put the antenna back in, it clips in to secure it in place a little better. So that's that. Pretty simple. I'm gonna wrap the roof and some other things, and then reinstall.